a door knocking script that empowers you to great results. My name is Pebble Singha. I am the broker coach at Smart Equity Realty. I have knocked doors in Reseda, California for over 16 years and created a very successful business from door knocking. So much so that I became the #1 agent in that neighborhood. I was also voted the 10 best real estate agents in California for exceptional client service by the American Institute of Real Estate Agents in 2017. What I am about to share with you is a powerful pitch that has taken years to perfect and proven to give you excellent results. But before we get into the powerful script, let's talk about the mechanics, the science, and the behaviors behind it. For the most part, this is just common sense, but it also is a set of rules that will make you more focused and effective. So pay close attention. Number 1. Ensure that you always dress in clothing that conforms with the area that you will be knocking in. Some agents choose to wear business casuals. Some others wear a shorts, a t-shirt along with a hat. Well, the point is to establish consistency in creating a brand. Number 2. Always start your door knocking regime with the happiest door you would have found in your routine. This will help you release happy hormones, which are the endorphins, which will help you keep motivated. Number 3. Keep your door knocking goals manageable. Don't get sucked into this competition business. It's not healthy for you. When I started, I divided my 500 homes by street blocks. That came to about 30 to 40 homes a day of actual quality knocking. That took me an hour up to 2 hours maximum time. I was consistently quality knocking on each door every 15 days. Number 4. When walking up to a door, check your surroundings. Look for pets or dogs. Be aware of that open backyard gate. You see, safety is your first priority, so always have an exit strategy. Number 5. When walking up the walkway, find something about their home to compliment them about, even if that home is a mess. Maybe the beautiful roses they have, or the cute landscaping, or that USC flag. Maybe that veteran license plate, or that cute patio furniture. Well, whatever it is, you get my point, don't you? Number 6. Always wear a large name tag. It will help start conversations everywhere you go. Yes, even in a grocery store line. You see, many agents tell me that they hate wearing name tags and hate announcing themselves. Well, let me say something to you. If you're not proud to wear your name tag and announce that you're a realtor, you're on the wrong business, my friends. Number 7. Always knock loudly a couple of times and make sure to take a step back from the door and partially look away. This way, you will always seem non-threatening to the homeowner. You see, the homeowner too is hoping that you will go away after that first knock. It is the persistent second knock that is most likely to give you the result. The point is to get them to the door. Number 8. Once you get someone live at the door, you will have just 30 seconds to deliver this powerful script that I'm about to teach you. So practice it with a friend, maybe a partner, or better yet, record yourself in front of a mirror, which will help you get better at delivering it.